You know what? I really, really do not understand you. I'm not trying to be your friend. I don't want to be your friend. I've never even, tried to take it that far. I reached out one time at some cool level shit, and once I seen what level you was on, I stepped back like, nah, I don't want to be a part of that. Whatever issues you got going on in your life, those are your issues, man. I don't want to deal with that. I don't like you. I got that right not to like you due to what you did to me, what I have seen. True enough, people say, oh man, everybody make mistakes. But I'm just the type of person, if you burn me to a certain extreme, I'm done. There is no second chances with me. You got to take that over God, not me. I don't give second chances. You burn me one time, and I know it was a foul burn, I'm done with you. Especially if you're not in my circle of people that I actually network with, that I allow, okay, this person right here get a lenient. I give them a little leniency versus someone I'm not dealing with at all. Because you're not in my circle. I don't need your advice. I don't give a fuck about your opinions, your thoughts, what you are going through. I don't give a fuck about you. It's not about you at all. What I do, it's not about you. I don't give a fuck if you like what I do, if you think what I do is cool, if you need to feel like you got to write or sign off on it to make sure everybody else think it's okay. I don't need your sign off. I don't need your cosign. I don't need the bullshit, man, that you bring it to my plate. I don't need it, bro. And I'm not bringing it to you. I'm not stalking you. I'm not following you. I'm not contacting you. I'm not reaching out to you. I'm not saying your name. I'm not doing none of that type of shit. But for some strange fucking reason, you're on my roll. Like, on my roll. Like, following almost everything that I do. Got to make a comment. Somebody else make a comment. Talking to me. Your ass jump in it. And you want to say something about it as if they was talking to you. No, if they was talking to you, my dude, they would have hit you up on your page. They would have hit you up in your inbox. They would have called your number. But evidently, they want to see what I think about it or how I feel about it. And I'm not saying my opinion is better than yours, because it's not. But what I am saying is, someone else said that I agree with what you're saying, brother. So that means that my opinion have some value. Not because I said it. I was only just speaking how I feel when I post my videos and I do my blogs and I show you when I'm in the field welding and I'm doing my thing independently, networking, hustling my trade, hustling my skills, thinking outside the box. When I do that, I just do that for me and help someone else, and hopefully that they can see me doing it and be like, you know what, I do know somebody that's doing this and he's made it to this level. That's why I do it. But for your opinion and what you think I should do or how you think I should do it or what I have to do, fuck you. I don't give a fuck about your feelings at all. My people are still down to this day. You know what I mean? I think about them. We're never going to be equal in America. My black people of color, my black Native Americans. We're never going to be equal here. That's fine. I understand this. But I can live better than those that came before me. I know now. But I also know that the truth is, I know that people are fucking racist out here. And not only they're racist, they prejudiced, they hateful, they biased. And that's just what it is. I didn't seen it. I had even racist people have even said, oh man, I don't like black people, but John and Joe and Paul, man, they cool, they okay. So you got your picks of a couple blacks that you cool with, but everybody else, they fuck them, they niggers. You know what I'm saying? Man, fuck that shit. You know what I mean? I do this here for hog on. I do this to uplift my people. For hopefully they can see someone like me doing it, someone from the gutter, someone who they said couldn't do it. They see me actually doing it and doing it the right way. Starting my LLC. Out here networking, knocking on doors, showing my brand, building myself. I'm doing this independently. You know what I mean? I'm not asking for no handouts. I'm just handing my card out. That's what I'm doing. I'm handing my networking out, my skills out. You know what I mean? That's what I'm doing. But I'm not doing this to please you. I don't care about how you feel about it. You see what I'm saying? And for anybody who's on the grind, stop worrying about what others think about what you're doing. If you're doing it, you do it. If it's going to come to times in your life where it's going to have to be you to stand on it, just only you. And you're going to have to stand on it and do whatever it takes to get to that next level. Are you willing to do that? That's what's going to get you over the hump. You know, I seen a photo one time of two men digging for diamonds. One guy, he was so fucking close. If he'd have hit it one more time, he'd have sprung diamonds on his head. He threw the fork down and took off. The other guy was halfway there, and he was still giving it all he got. Give it all you got. But don't worry about what other people think. Don't worry about what other people say. Post it anyway. Do you anyway. Be you anyway. Whatever you do is yours. You bought it. You show it. You stun it. You wanna say that you did it. You did it. It's yours. Do your thing. Don't get discouraged about what somebody else say. And don't let these stalkers and haters discourage you. And it really don't discourage me. The only reason I'm really addressing this situation is because I really think this person got a problem, actually, mentally. But it's a lot of people like this out here. A lot of stalkers out here that just want to say things about what you're doing, and they still doing what they're doing, but they really want to do what you're doing, but they don't have enough audacity. And just for the fact that you're doing it, and they don't think you should be doing it because you're black and you're saying this, man, that's a bunch of bullshit. I'm Black Phoenix, owner of Hog On Welding LLC, independent welder. I'm doing this independently. Independently. Everything is independently. I am the owner. I am the operator. I am the secretary. I am the investor. I am the worker. I'm all of that in one. That's me. Those are my roles. It's cool because that's how I have to start to get to that next level. Now, it's not going to always be like this, but it is right now, and I'm cool with that because you have to make steps to get to where you're going. And for anyone who's been following me for over a year or 2 years, and since I started, they know how I started. I got archives already back. All you have to do is check Hog On. All you have to do is put Black Phoenix Welding in. All you have to do is just put my hashtag in. You're going to find me. I've been building this. I've been building Hog On Welding to show you how I'm actually getting my hog on and how I had to do it. You're going to see how I started with nothing and how I got to where I'm going and where I am today. You know what I mean? So don't worry about what others say. Fuck what they say, in my opinion. Fuck them with this finger right here. Fuck them. You know what I'm saying? Do you, man. You know what I mean? I'm going to do me. And yeah, I cuss. That's me. You know, you don't. That's you. You know what I mean? Your belief systems, your faith, that's you. And I do me. But if you don't like what someone else doing, don't put yourself around them. Don't get in their energy. But for you to be around someone else and for them to be who they are and for you to be who you are and both of y'all can stand strong and be happy, that shows that both of y'all got growth and you can respect this person's belief. He can respect your belief and y'all can still be friends. And honestly, that's how America actually was built. We got to come together, a mixed pot. No matter where we from, where you get it, we're going to have to come together and make this thing happen. And that's the way I look at it, man. We got to come together regardless. So get out your feelings. Move that shit to the side. Leave your ego at the door. Let's learn something new. Let's do something new. Hog on.